Welcome to Gadgetly. Are you tired of messy tools and endless searching? Today, we're showcasing the best tool bags to keep your gear organized, portable, and protected. Whether you're a pro or a DIY enthusiast, we've got options to match your needs. Stick around to find your perfect tool bag. Number 1. WORKPRO 16-inch wide-mouth tool bag. Homeowners and DIY enthusiasts seeking a compact, lightweight, and affordable tool bag should consider this budget-friendly option from WORKPRO. Designed with practicality in mind, it features durable polyester construction, a waterproof plastic base for added longevity, 2 hook and loop handles, and a padded shoulder strap for comfort. The dual zipper pulls allow for convenient one-handed opening when aligned at the center. During testing, the padded shoulder strap proved to be the most comfortable carrying option. We also appreciated the waterproof base and the dedicated storage for writing tools, an often overlooked feature in many tool bags. While the bag provides 21 slots for tool storage, the oddly shaped internal pockets may pose challenges for securing certain items. The material quality is not as high as some competitors, but this is reflected in its budget-friendly price, making it a solid value overall. Pros: waterproof bottom provides peace of mind when working outside. Padded shoulder strap is comfortable and adjustable for ease of use. Easy access compartments for writing utensils or frequently used tools on the outside of the bag. Great price point compared to other options on the market. Cons: flimsy pull tabs may not be ideal for some users' preferences. Number 2. DEWALT 16-inch DG5543 Tradesman's tool bag. This DEWALT tool bag has been my go-to for years, and its durability continues to impress me. The duffel-style design offers an impressive range of storage pockets, making it highly versatile. One standout feature is the square-shaped Velcro pocket on the exterior, perfectly sized for a tape measure, a detail I use constantly. The main compartment is generously spacious, and the yellow interior bottom is a thoughtful touch that makes spotting dropped screws or small fasteners much easier. Constructed from heavy-duty fabric, this bag is tough enough to endure the rigors of job sites and the wear and tear from sharp, heavy tools. Its rubber feet not only keep the bag upright but also protect the bottom from contact with spills or rough surfaces. For those needing more storage space, DEWALT offers a similar model that's 16 inches long. A particularly unique feature is the abrasion-resistant rubber feet along the bag's anterior side. While they may sound like something out of a video game, they're a practical addition designed to prevent premature wear and extend the bag's lifespan. Pros: wide opening for accessibility. 29 total pockets, padded shoulder strap, comfortable to carry. Cons: fabric weight not specified. Number 3. Klein Tools 10-inch Tradesman Pro Tool Bag. Klein Tools offers a durable, space-efficient tool tote ideal for those with many narrow-handled tools. The Tradesman Pro features a 1680 denier nylon shell, inside and out, for strength and longevity. Its well-constructed exterior pockets and rigid body help maintain the bag's shape. Ranked as one of the top-rated tool bags on the market, it performed well overall, though it does have a few minor drawbacks. Klein claims the Tradesman Pro has 40 pockets, but after counting, I found 33, including the open interior space. The interior pockets are notably deep, capable of holding a standard screwdriver with the handle fully inside. Despite the tight design, these pockets kept tools upright, even with just the blades inserted. For my personal needs, would have preferred more short pockets. There are 4 inside and 1 outside. The exterior pockets offer greater capacity. They are wider than the interior pockets and extend further out from the bag. A 5-inch tall zipper pocket spans the width of the bag, and there's also a Velcro pocket with stitched elastic to hold drill bits, drivers, or nail punches. The bag features long carrying handles and a detachable shoulder strap, which proved to be comfortable during testing, no matter how much it was packed. Number 4. CLC 18-inch Multi-Compartment Tool Bag. For any DIYer with a lot of hand tools and in need of a robust storage solution, this 18-inch tool bag from CLC is a must-see. Designed with organization in mind, it offers ample space for every tool. The bag features zippered flaps on either side that open to reveal numerous pockets, along with a large center compartment capable of holding a few power tools at once. Everything can be securely zipped away for peace of mind. The bag offers 2 convenient carrying options. You can either grab the rolled, padded nylon handles or use the shoulder strap. which is equipped with a cushion pad and swivel hardware to prevent tangling. During testing, both methods proved comfortable and effective. We filled the bag with the entire test kit and still had an entire side left empty, showing it could easily hold twice as many tools without compromising organization. However, it's worth noting that while the bag features plastic feet on the bottom, it is not waterproof. Pros: very high-quality nylon for long-term use and durability, completely adjustable, almost all storage is zippered to keep components safe and in place. Cons: may be overkill for users with more modestly sized tool collections. Number 5. Vito Pro Pack Tech High-Vis Tool Bags. Vito Pro Pack created the tech pack with workers who need to walk or climb frequently in mind, making it ideal for urban or industrial environments where long distances are common. This pack features several unique design elements, including an injection-molded base and a patented center panel, both of which set it apart from other tool bags. Equipped with 46 pockets and zippers, the tech pack is designed to hold hand tools, including technician-specific items like meters and manifold gauges. However, what truly distinguishes it is the patented center panel, which incorporates a platform system to stabilize the weight. This innovative feature prevents the bag from tipping over, a common issue with many tool backpacks. Roger Brouard, the company's founder, spent weeks on job sites with technicians to refine the tech pack, ensuring it met the needs of workers who require mobility. If your job involves a lot of walking or climbing, the Vito Pro Pack Tech Pack is an excellent choice. Just be prepared for its premium price tag. Key features: designed for comfort during long walks and climbs, filled with Vito Pro Pack proprietary tech, highly weather resistant, built to stay upright when open.